Hello and welcome to Module 5 of BID 515, Technology for Managers here at Midland University on the topic of MIS infrastructures. So what are MIS infrastructures or Management Information Systems? It includes the plans for how a firm will build, deploy, use, and share its data, processes, and MIS assets. Everything from hardware, software, network, to client and server. The diagram to the right may look complex, but if you think about it, it's pretty straightforward. It's just a connection, a network of information being shared between devices, servers, and information from the internet. At the end of the day, we need a great MIS structure, though, that allows us to know what are the number of devices and users that are going to be on this system. That's defined by the business department, usually. And then the IT support system will say, well, how am I going to connect the right information to the right people through that process? So, very structured design needs to have all the elements of all the right systems, all the right software speaking to each other in the right way, and to the end user of the workstation or device that they're using. This is very important to ensure that it's got the right timely fashion and also gives us the ability to be competitive and make decisions with really good working infrastructure. As mentioned, there are many benefits of MIS infrastructures. It allows us to create, an advantage to be sustainable and agile in our business strategies. First, information MIS infrastructure supports operations. What this is, it allows us to, recover information, build continuity plans. It has disaster recovery mechanisms. It's really the back end piece to support our overall capabilities to ensure the data is being maintained, or if there's a concern about the data, we can fix it in a timely fashion. An agile MIS infrastructure allows us to make changes. In today's very fast-paced business environment, agility is key to pivot in a direction we need to go to make the business stronger or to ensure that we have the right ability to change processes in our systems if needed to meet the demands of the business. We have accessibility, availability, maintainability, portability, and other types of frameworks that allows us to be more fluid in our business environment in today's agile structure. And then sustainable MIS infrastructure. This supports the environment. We do this through cloud computing, grid computing, and virtualization. It allows us to support the corporate social responsibility aspect of corporations where we are really focused on the environment, doing things from an economic and also eco-friendly perspective. As mentioned, cloud computing is one of our sustainable infrastructure support systems. There are four types of clouds in the cloud-based computing we can look at. First is private cloud, which is a single tenancy and on-premise type of cloud. Normally, this is found with very high confidential information. Banks, governments, corporations, etc., have a private cloud where you need really strong cybersecurity and strong access points to get in. Public cloud is for multi-tenancy. It's off-premise. This is to share information between organizations. For an example, if you sell on Amazon and you have an inventory feed of your inventory to tell Amazon what's available for sale to sell in their marketplace, that could be a public cloud or information in general that the access can be less scrutinized and less, but still secure. The community cloud, multi-tenancy, off-premise, and this is for multiple organizations, for perhaps a network of doctors' offices or a network of different businesses under the same parent company. This is often something that is more community-based, less confidential information. Even though there's some high important information in there that needs to be held secure, it's usually less high sensitive information. Hybrid cloud. It's a mix of private, public, or community. Example, private cloud of the company and a public cloud for customers, suppliers, and partners. A company has customer records and product information for what they're going to offer and deliver for sales, but they only offer the public certain pieces of information to make those sales. So at the end of the day, cloud computing has a variation of different types of clouds to pick from. It's a much more efficient and in today's environment, fast-paced environment to collect, store, and transmit data and to conduct our businesses. Thank you so much for your time in Module 5, and we will see you soon.